What's good, YouTube? It's your boy LB and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let me put my hat behind. Yeah, let me guess, the frame is cool. Yo, what's good, YouTubers? This is your boy LB and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another tutorial video. What is this? Hey. Today, let's talk about how I made this fire effect in this room. There is some of my friends who text me on WhatsApp, "Hey bro, what happened on your room?" I told them, bro, chill, that was an editing. Yeah, so now let's jump on inside After Effects and let's see how you can do it. Come on, bro. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here now I'm in software. So first I'm going to track this video because you see it is moving my video. So now click here on your videos and then go here on tracker. So when you don't see tracker here, just you can go here on window, then you find your track. Okay, so now you click here on the tracker, you open up and then click here on track camera. So here you have to wait a little bit, just seconds, okay, because my camera is tracking, so I have to wait these frames. Okay, just a little bit, man. Yeah, it's the endings. Yeah, it's done, guys. As you see here, I received some tracker point here on my frame. Okay, this is how my tracking point it is. If you want, you can just increase the tracker point size like this. If it is too small, just you can increase by using this tracker point size. Okay guys, so after this I'm going to find any point which I'm going to use for tracking my fire. So let me, for example, let me use this one because I'm going to create an solid cutter. I'm going to create the solid where the fire will be tracked on. So now right click here on this point, then click here on create solid and camera. So after clicking on it, as you see here, there is some solid which comes on. Okay, so now I'm going to import my fire videos. Come here on the project and then let me import my fire videos. Okay, this one too. So let me import it. Let me drag here. You have to put it under of this layer 3D tracker camera. Okay, so guys, as you see my video of fire, it has black screen. So first I'm going to remove this black screen by clicking here on normal. So now choose here on screen. Okay, you see I remains fire only. So now I'm going to click S for resize my fire here. Let me put it here on the floor just like this. Okay, so now I'm going to click here for 3D. Okay, these signs, it means it's 3D layer. Yeah, it's to allow your area into 3D dimension. Okay, so when I click here on it, I have to resize. Okay, again, just like this. So let me pray, and then let me see how you see my fire is on my floor only. Okay, it is on my floor only, guys. Okay, so when I pray, see my camera is moving up, but the fire still on my floor. Okay, so now let me import again another fire. Okay, let me just import this one. Okay, let me drag. All videos, all fire layers must be under this 3D track camera. Okay, and again I'm going to remove this black screen by clicking here on screen. Okay, so and then I have to resize for scaling. Okay, let me put it up here on this speaker. Let me increase again, too small. Okay, and then again you have to click here to allow your area into 3D dimension, because it will be affected with this 3D tracker camera. Okay, so and again when I pray, you see the camera is moving, but my fire is on speaker. Okay, so guys, let me add more fires here, and just if you want you can duplicate this fire. Okay, for example, let me duplicate this fire. You can click Ctrl+D, then let me move another fire here on the floor again. Just you have to analyze where the fire will be. Okay, you don't have to put it anywhere you want. Okay, let me pray. Yeah, there is a fire is on the floor. Yeah, man. Okay, so now let me add more. As you see, you can duplicate and then more and more and more. So let me add more. Let me add more fire. So guys, let's suppose I'm finishing to add this fire. So now, as also you can add some smoke. So it's the same as, the way it's the same as, okay, for adding these fires. So now let me add a smoke. So you must have the smoke footage. Okay, so let me put it here again. So now I can remove this black background. So let me increase this smoke layer. Okay, so and also I have to allow this layer for 3D dimension. Yeah, this is how it is. So when I play, this is how you can add fire inside on your house. Okay, yeah, I'm done, guys. Please, yeah, I think this video is very helpful to you, and then you have been see how you can do this effect. So thanks for watching. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment down below. Like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. You know, it's to supporting me on this channel. And let me guess, yeah, that is it. And stay creative. Peace.